Hi everybody, happy Friday. Today is Friday the 8th of January in 2021. Happy New Year. It's your band announcements for next week, January 11th through the 15th. It is the second week of third quarter. Contact information is always on the front of my slides, so there you go. Junior high announcements for next week. Next Friday is a choir day, so it'll be small bands or, 8th grade band on Friday. It is a 7th grade lesson week, so 7th graders, make sure that you remember to have lessons during 4A. 5th grade drummers, make sure that you bring your bells next week. During third quarter, we're going to work a lot using our bells, so for the foreseeable future, you'll be bringing your bells to class. 8th graders, you are remote for next week. You'll be coming back on the 19th is my understanding. Band, we will be Zooming at Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 1:30 to 2 o'clock p.m. Yes, you do have to be there. That's how I take your grade. I will not be collecting assignments or anything. I really just want to meet together. We'll play our instruments virtually, and we'll have a lot of fun doing that. So make sure that you are there. If you need your instrument, please contact me. I understand that a lot of you got your instruments through siblings or it was dropped off by school staff yesterday. But if you did not get your instrument and you still need it, please let me know or let the junior high office know and we will get it to you, okay? All right, so speaking of remote learning, just a quick recap. When you go remote, if you go remote, your health and well-being is my #1 priority. And because playing an instrument will help you feel better and it will help to provide some structure during your day, I'm not collecting assignments. We're just meeting together and we're going to play some music, and it's going to be easy music, stuff that you can accomplish pretty well, pretty quickly, that just makes you feel good. So we will meet virtually. There's a link on Google Classroom for Zoom, and the dates are posted up there as well. So make sure that you're checking Google Classroom regularly as you go remote. Yes, you do need to attend. And if you need anything at any time about anything, band, school, or otherwise, let me know. Junior high kids, make sure that you're practicing every day that you don't have band at school. Google Classroom, there's a drive folder out there that has practice music. You can also look on the internet. You can check Google, YouTube, these websites as well. High school kids, not a lot to talk about. Next Friday is a choir day, and again, make sure that you are practicing every day that you don't have band, just to stay in shape and because it will make you feel better. Why do I talk so much about that? Well, January and February are usually difficult months. The sun is gone, and that usually has a negative effect on on just humanity's emotion anyway. This year especially is probably going to be a pretty difficult January and February. So if there was something you could do to help yourself, would you do it? Well, I'm here to tell you that playing an instrument will make you feel better, and it's not just Mr. J saying this. There are medical professionals who say this as well. I've linked an awesome article about the emotional, mental, and physical benefits of playing an instrument, and this could also apply to performing a vocal piece as well. So grab your instrument and have some fun and start playing some music, and that will make you feel better. All right, everybody, that's all I got for today. Have a great day and an awesome weekend. Thanks.